Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae and we are here with Sunber hair. I'm just quickly unboxing her so you guys can see what all comes in the package. But today I'm going to be installing Sunber hair 13x4 lace front Kinky Edge straight hair. This unit I think is 24 or 26 inches. Be sure to check in the description section. I'm not sure on the length, but this is what the unit is giving us. This is the full construction. It does come with three clips in total, an elastic band, and a drawstring at the nape. So these are the edges on the unit. I'm just going in to comb them out, and I try to, put it in a little style so y'all can get a feel of what it's giving. So I'm taking my Babyliss Pro. I picked up this flat iron, y'all, and I haven't put it down since. But I'm gonna pick this flat iron up, and we're just gonna do a quick test to see if this hair will revert back. So I'm gonna be doing like 1 to 2 passes throughout this section of hair. It's just a small section of hair, and we're gonna see when I wash it, will it revert back? Because I know that's something that you guys are worried about. If you put heat to the hair, if you curl the hair, if you do anything like that, will the hair revert back to its original state? And we shall see. So here is the hair after I pressed it out, and y'all see it's soft and silky, and I did this straight out the box. No washing, no condition, no none of that, y'all. It's right out of the box. And I am going to put a little curl in there as well. So now I'm just going in to cut and remove the combs off of the unit. This is all I do. If I don't want them there, I just find that piece of thread and pull it, and then you just keep cutting along that line and it would just snap right off. And I also went in to bleach the knots. I could tell they already bleached them, but I just wanted them bleached a little bit more. So this is how much hair came from the washing and conditioning process. Okay, y'all seen that hair reverted right back, and I used my flat iron on the highest heating setting, and that was 465 degrees, I believe. Y'all, this hair is good, okay? There's no straight pieces. Y'all don't see it. You don't see the curl. Everything is back in its original texture. So now we're gonna get ready to install this bad boy, y'all. And I wanted to keep this unit as natural as possible, really focusing on the hairline, not doing no baby hairs and things of that nature. I really wanted to keep it very, very much natural. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb out the hairline. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little section of this hair, and I'm gonna use my shears and cut directly where I parted the baby hairs. So this is what it looks like. Here is the clip where I tinted the lace. As you guys can see, it matches well with my forehead. I did go ahead and remove my makeup as well. I don't know where that clip went. Sometimes it looks like I'm recording and I'm not recording because my screen is on, so I got to get better with that. But I'm just placing a thin layer of my Kisses lace adhesive in the center of my head, and I'm waiting until it is tacky, and then I'm just gonna align it. And y'all, when I tell y'all this lace did some magic, baby, this lace melted. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Like the from the edges, from the lace, I'm obsessed with this freaking unit. Look how natural and good that looks. It's not even laid down. Okay, and just be mindful, they do give you guys an elastic band in case you don't want to wear it with adhesive on there. So you can wear it glueless if you want. But I always say with glueless, you still have to adhere down the sides, unless you know, if you're wearing your hair down in the middle part, you ain't gonna see it. No way. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and secure this all the way around, and it just amazes me how this just looks so freaking good, like so natural. So I'm just using the back of my comb to press down the lace into my forehead. That prevents it from rolling up and doing all that weird stuff. So use your fingers, use the back of your comb to make sure that lace is melted and laid down. I'm just taking an eyebrow razor and just trimming up those baby hairs. Like I said, I do have to do some plucking because it looks too formal. Like it looks like a straight line, and I don't like that. So I'm just going into, just play with the hair a little bit, comb them down, thin them out, and just pretty much make it look as natural as possible. I wanted to make it look like these are my edges. Like it's not really hard to do because of the texture of the hair, so it's easy to mimic my own hair texture. But yeah. Y'all see how good and natural this look? I'm obsessed. I'm gonna take a little bit of my cream foundation and just place it on the outside of the lace just to blend that little area. And I'm gonna secure it down with my Sunber headband. I mean elastic band. I'll leave it on for 3 minutes. And this is what my hairline looks like. Okay. Now some of the baby hairs was smashed down, but it looks super good, y'all. It looks so good. I'm just gonna take my comb and comb those baby hairs out so it won't be stuck down to my what is it? To my head. And I want it to look is natural, okay, not too formal or anything. So I'm taking my lace adhesive from Kiss, again, that spray. I just sprayed some on my edge brush, and I'm just gonna lightly, fix the hairline or make it look is what I call natural. This install was super quick, super easy, y'all. I wanted to leave the hair in its natural state, so I did just that. It's so beautiful, y'all. It's so beautiful. I have no complaints. This unit gets a 10 out of 10 in my book. I did put a little curl in there, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.